In this tutorial, I'd like to show you Dashwood Stereo 3D Toolbox LE. Stereo 3D Toolbox Lite Edition offers a basic yet powerful stereoscopic 3D post-production tool. I'm in Final Cut Pro 10. This tool also works in Motion and After Effects as well. I've got some Arri Alexa 3D footage in my project. The two clips are marked left and right. I'll just select both of my clips, right-click, and choose Synchronize Clips. It will analyze the audio and create a compound clip with my two clips in sync. I'll go ahead and drag this compound clip onto my timeline. A handy trick I use to keep my compound clip straight is to select it, go to the Info tab on the inspector, and then name it something meaningful. This will keep your timeline less confusing if you have a bunch of different compound clips and scenes. I'll open the compound clip. If I toggle the top clip on and off, you can see the left eye and right eye. I'll open the effects palette and select Dashwood. You'll see three plugins here. Right now we'll drag the left nest plugin on the left eye clip and the right nest plugin on the right eye clip. You'll see it display side by side in the viewer. I'll press the back button and go back to my main timeline. I'll drop the Stereo 3D Toolbox LE plugin on the compound clip. If I go to the inspector, we'll see the input mode is set to side by side. If I click on this dropdown, you can see that this plugin supports many different input types. Our output mode is displaying in Anaglyph outline mode. This is the mode you'll use to correct any disparities between the two cameras. You can view this mode with or without Anaglyph glasses. In the viewer, you see some red, cyan, and white outlines. I can make adjustments to the convergence and vertical, rotational, and zoom disparity sliders until the red and cyan overlap to turn white. I want this to happen on my convergence point, which in this case is my subject. You can still see the red and cyan separation in the background, which is what we want. It's indicating parallax and will be displayed in our final output with some depth. In making our adjustments, we've moved the left and right images slightly. I'll check Auto Scale to scale the images up so our full picture scales correctly to the edge of the frame. Now we can check out the different output modes. With 50/50 superimposition, we'll just see the two images on top of each other. In Anaglyph Color, you can view the image in 3D with Anaglyph glasses. You can choose Anaglyph Black and White, which makes it very easy to see 3D depth without the glasses. Stereoscope will make a movie compatible with Stereoscope viewers, like the ones available for iPhones and iPods. Choosing 2D Bypass will display just the left eye if you'd like to view it this way for editing or output a 2D video. Side by Side will output a side-by-side file, which is the preferred format for the YouTube 3D channel. Once your settings are how you'd like them, you can check the Set as Global Mode box. This will tell all other occurrences of the Stereo 3D Toolbox LE plugin in this project to use these same settings if their Use Global Mode box is checked. You can do this even after you've edited your timeline, and it will change all of the other clips to display the same way. It's a great time saver. Back on the main timeline, you can edit this compound clip as if it were a single clip. If you weren't sure about jumping into 3D because you thought it was too difficult, you can see that Dashwood's Stereo 3D Toolbox LE makes it incredibly quick and easy to create great-looking 3D content. FxFactory offers a trial period. This is a great plugin to try out. FxFactory offers a huge selection of great plugins, and if you don't have them yet, I suggest you go try them out at noiseindustries.com.